Top 10 countries with the most people living with HIV, PLHIV. According to the latest data from UNAIDS and WHO, more than 40 million people around the world are living with HIV, and sub-Saharan Africa remains the region most affected. While great progress has been made in testing, treatment, and prevention, these 10 countries continue to carry the largest share of the global HIV burden. Here is the countdown. Based on the most recent data available as of 2025, let us begin with Russia and Malawi, as they both have estimated people living with HIV at 1.1 million each. Russia's population stands at 143 million, which means less than 1% of its citizens live with HIV, a relatively low prevalence, but still a large absolute number. Malawi, by contrast, has 21 million people, so its 1.1 million people living with HIV equals about 5% of the population. This makes Malawi's situation much more severe in relative terms, reflecting deep social and health system challenges despite remarkable national progress in testing and treatment coverage. Number 10, United States of America. Estimated people living with HIV is 1.4 million. USA population stands at 335 million, which means roughly 0.4% of its citizens live with HIV, a relatively low prevalence, but still a large absolute number. So although 1.4 million is a large number, the relative burden is less extreme. Number 9, Zambia. The estimated number of people living with HIV is 1.5 million. Zambia has a population of around 20 million, meaning about 7.5% of its people live with HIV. This high percentage highlights how deeply the epidemic has affected communities, even as the country continues expanding access to treatment and awareness programs. Number 8, Zimbabwe. The estimated number of people living with HIV is 1.6 million. With the population of about 16 million, roughly 10% of Zimbabweans are living with HIV. The epidemic has left a lasting impact on families and the nation as a whole, though strong national leadership and health initiatives have helped reduce new infections over time. Number 7, Uganda. The estimated number of people living with HIV is 1.7 million. Uganda's population stands at around 49 million, giving a prevalence of about 3.5%. While this is lower than in some southern African countries, the issue remains a serious public health challenge that affects millions of lives across the country. Number 6, Kenya. The estimated number of people living with HIV is 1.8 million. Kenya's population is about 54 million, giving a prevalence rate of around 3.3%. The total number is large, but the country has made great progress in awareness, education, and prevention, helping to stabilize infection rates and improve treatment coverage. Number 5, Tanzania. The estimated number of people living with HIV is 1.9 million. Tanzania has a population of about 65 million, meaning roughly 2.9% of its people live with HIV. While this represents a major health challenge, the country has been praised for its national programs promoting free treatment, education, and community health. Number 4, India. The estimated number of people living with HIV is 2.7 million. With a massive population of about 1.46 billion, this equals a very low prevalence rate of only 0.18%. Although India has one of the world's largest numbers of people living with HIV, the condition is relatively rare in percentage terms due to the country's size. Number 3, Mozambique. The estimated number of people living with HIV is 2.8 million. Mozambique's population is about 33 million, which means around 8.5% of its people live with HIV. This extremely high prevalence shows how severely the epidemic affects the country. Yet Mozambique continues to make steady progress in treatment and prevention. Number 2, Nigeria. The estimated number of people living with HIV is 2.9 million. Nigeria's population is roughly 225 million, which equals about 1.3% of citizens living with HIV, Nigeria has the second highest total number of HIV-positive people in the world. But the percentage rate remains relatively low due to its large population base. Number 1. South Africa. The estimated number of people living with HIV is over 8 million. South Africa's population stands at about 61 million, which means roughly 13% of its citizens live with HIV. This makes South Africa not only the country with the highest number of people living with HIV globally, but also one of the highest in prevalence, making it the epicenter of the global epidemic. Despite this, South Africa has made huge strides in treatment access and awareness, turning the tide of the epidemic through resilience and determination.